Good morning everyone. I hope you are all well. So today we are going to start with the most important poem, chapter number 14, Mama's Hands. As we all know that we love our mothers. Yes, we are having a great love for her mother just because mother's love is selfless. She used to do so many things in our daily life for us, just like cooking, washing, bathing, taking care of us, so many other things. So that's why we have a great love for her mother. So we are going to start the poem named Mama's Hands. So this is the poem that is written by, who had written the poem, do you know? Okay, I will tell you. Tommy Joe Castile had written the poem. Tommy Joe Castile, okay, had written the poem named Mama's Hands. So she is Tommy Joe Castile, okay, just because she wanted to show her love for her mother, that's why she had written the poem Mama's Hands, okay, to show a great love for her mother. So we will see chapter number 14, Mama's Hands. A mother who works all day for us, just because mother used to do so many works all day long, just like cooking, bathing, washing, cannot have soft rosy hands. She, just because she used to do so many things, hard work, so that's why she was not having soft and rosy hands. What endears her to us in her selfless love for us? Which thing had caused behind it for her selfless love? Okay? Endure means to cause. Read this poem to know what a mother does. We will come to know what a mother used to do for us and how we should look upon her love as an untold blessing for us. So mother's love is the untold blessing of God for all of us. So we will see. So I saw your hands in line behind that lady fair. I noticed two hers soft and white, immaculate from care. But Ma, I say, it is no disgrace to have working hands like you. And had she lived the life you have, she would have hands just like too. So author said that I had seen my mother. She said to her mother that I had seen you, that you had hidden your hands behind the lady fair, just because the lady fair is having a good, beautiful, rosy and soft hands. So that's why you had hidden your hands, okay, in front of her. Okay, just because she was thinking ki her hands are not beautiful. I noticed too her soft and white, immaculate from care. So author said that I also noticed her soft and rosy and white hands, immaculate from care. Immaculate था clean and tidy due to the care. ठीक है, clean and tidy. Her I also noticed the soft and rosy hands of the other lady just because of the excessive care. It was clean and tidy. But Ma, I say it is no disgrace ki Ma, you should not feel ashamed to have a working hands like you. Just because you are having a working hands, so you should not feel ashamed due to the other women. Had she lived the life you have, had she lived the life, or you can say hard working life you are having, she would have hands just like you. She is also having the hands just like you. ठीक है? So don't feel ashamed. Author is saying this line to her mother. So next paragraph we will see. But her hands have never held in wood. In this paragraph, author is talking about the other women, okay, the other woman who is having a soft and rosy hands. or worked in a God's earth, they have never felt the bitter cold or chopped ice the waiting stock. They have never doctored sick ones or dressed a horse hawk. They have never pulled a hip-locked calf or packed water to the barn. They have probably never patched blue jeans or had worn all socks to down. ठीक है. So, but her hands have never की the lady who is having the soft hands have never ever done the work in the woods, had not dragged her hands in the wood or worked in God's earth. She had never ever done any praise to the God. ठीक है. He had not praised the God. ठीक है. God's good earth means she had never ever praised the God. They have never felt the bitter cold. They had never ever felt that when bitter cold night was there, should be there, है ना. When bitter cold night will be there or winter season will be there, so they have never ever felt. Or chopped ice for waiting stock, so they had never, or the ladies of with soft hands have never ever chopped the ice for waiting stock. Stock होता है बच्चे cow and sheep. So they are dressed. They have never doctored sick ones, means to say they had never ever taken care of sick ones. ठीक है. Sick or needy people, or dressed a horse hawk, or they have never dressed a horse hawk. Horse hawk means the middle joint hind leg of an animal. ठीक है. So they have never pulled a hip locked calf. बच्चे, a calf locked inside the womb of its mother, they had never ever pulled it. ठीक है. The lady with the rosy and soft hand, or packed water to burn, or she had not packed the water to store things. They have probably never patched blue jeans. They have never ever patched blue jeans. Okay. Or ठीक है. Or had worn all socks to down. So she had not done all the other things in the house or a home, ठीक है, that you are doing. They have never touched the young ones or caressed or fevered head. So they have never ever touched the young ones who are having the fever. They had never taken care of the young ones. ठीक है. और caressed होता है बच्चे petted lovingly. They have never ever petted lovingly the young ones, and fever had young ones also. Fevered head means burning with the fever. ठीक है. With hands so gently folded all night beside his bed. ठीक है. So next it is there कि with the hands so gently folded all the night beside his bed. On the other hand क्या होता है, the mother always sit beside the bed if you are having a fever. They have never scrubbed the kitchen floor. So the lady with the soft and rosy hands have never scrubbed or you can say cleaned the kitchen floor or done dishes every day, or they have never ever washed the dishes. They have never guided with those hands a child who is lost the way. They have never ever guided the child, ठीक है, who has lost the way. They have never made a Christmas gift by its hands. ठीक है. So these kinds of women don't want to do any kind of work. That's why they have never ever made a Christmas gift shaped by a loving hands. Just like you always make a Christmas gift for us by your loving hands. So she had not done like this. They have never peeled apples. They have never even peeled a single apple even, nor vegetables they have can't, or not even they have not touched even vegetables for the peeling. They have never blister means छाले होते हैं ना, so they have never worn a blister or had a calluses to show, so they are not having any blister on their hands and had a not a hardened area of the skin, just like you. Just because of the working hand, mother has a blister on her hand, and as well as she is having the hardened area of her skin. For all they have done for others, and the kindnesses I know. For all they have done for others, and kindness I know that. So you see, my dearest Mama, you are hands of love, and I bet the Lord will notice when He greets you from above. And you will see, Mother, your hands are hands of love just because you are taking care of all of us. I bet you that God will surely notice you, and surely when He greets you from above. ठीक है? God will surely notice you when He greets you from the above. So, बच्चे, in the second last paragraph, they have never worn a blister. They are not having any kind of blister on her hands, or they are not having a hardened area. For all they have done for others. ठीक है? So उनके लिए कौन है? They are also having their servants to do the things for them. So, and kindness I know. So kindness, about the kindnesses I know very well. ठीक है? On the other hand, mother is doing all the things by its own, and she is very kind and loving lady. That's why her hands are hands of love. Thank you so much.